Yeah, I mean, I think there's been a couple different sessions that touched on some of these basic and translational aspects. I think a couple of messages that come out is that there's more than one level that we need to look at these myeloproliferative neoplasms. Is the one, I mean, these are blood cancers, right? But blood formation occurs in the bone marrow, and it's a highly regulated process, both with extrinsic signals coming from kind of like, you know, erythropoietin, because it was a big blood doping agent because it can raise red blood cells. That's an example of an extrinsic control on blood cell formation. But there's a lot of intrinsic things where cells and where they're localized in the marrow is important for what kinds of cells are being produced and what mutations are carried within the stem cells. Our work dictates what kinds of cells are produced. And so that, all of those pieces together, you can't kind of pull apart in these diseases. They're all relevant. And we don't kind of know exactly which is the most important, which are secondary to other effects. So it becomes a little bit of the joke with the blind people in a room with an elephant, and they're each describing what they see. And so sometimes I think that session, we saw each of us describing our part of the elephant. But the reality of it is there's an elephant there that we don't understand all that well.